Okay, how to repair these Sidflex push connect fittings. Alright, first off, if you got a leak coming from one of these fittings right here, you'd remove the line and make sure that's cut straight. If that's cut straight and it's clean and it's still leaking, what you can do is replace the fitting. If the fitting's not available, what you can do, a lot of people don't realize, is you pull the collar out, and you got to be careful not to bend these or it will leak when you put it back together. And there's an O-ring in here. If you can see, there's an O-ring down in there. As you take that O-ring out, carefully not to damage it, you can, this is a clean one. I'm just showing you for, demonstration purposes, but if you take that O-ring out and clean it out and spray brake cleaning compressed air in there, clean anything in there out, and then put this back together with some Eaton O-ring lube or something that is good with O-rings so it doesn't make them swell, and or replace this. You can find it, match it up with another O-ring, replace this O-ring, or just clean it up. A lot of time you got to replace it. If you can find a matching O-ring, and you put that in there, make sure these are all even and weren't bent too bad on removal. Put that back together. And it should seal. If not, you're back at the same spot as you were, and you got to replace the fitting.